Today we're making al pastor. What I like about al pastor, it's very, very versatile. We can do a lot of things with it. Fish, pork, we're gonna do cauliflower. So I wanna show you the marinade. It's very simple. We have achiote paste, and I have some pineapple. If you wanna use guava or orange juice, you totally can, but pineapple is pretty traditional. I don't wanna pour it all in. I just wanna whisk this to get this not so clumpy. Pour the rest in. And we need to have a stronger acid. So I have some vinegar here. And then comes the flavorings. So I have some oregano. I just want to crush it up, break up the flowers. Some cumin. Some garlic. And I have guajillo chili. If you want to use something else a little more spicy, you totally can. And that's pretty much it. So what I want to show you next is the salt. Since we're doing cauliflower, it's only going to marinate for 30 minutes to an hour. We can go ahead and add the salt. But if you were going to do pork, I'd want to marinate it overnight. If you do that, don't add the salt. So doing salt with a meat product, it's not going to go well. So you want to add the salt at the very, very end. And that's it. Very simple marinade, has lots of flavor, and we'll go ahead and pour it on our cauliflower. I have some baby cauliflower. I really like the product. A lot of flavor in the stem. You can grill it, saute it, steam it, and it'll go really nicely in a small taco. So as far as marinade, I just want to pour it over. And then I also have some pineapple, which again is very traditional. And I want to get this some flavor. Finish it off here. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix it. I'm going to let it sit room temperature for like 30-45 minutes. If you want to do an hour, you totally can. For regular cauliflower, if you want to do it overnight, I would suggest it. But if you do that, don't add the salt. You don't want to start cooking that product. But for this, half hour, 45 minutes, we can go ahead and put it in the broiler and make some tacos. The baby cauliflower marinated for about 45 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on a rack because I'm gonna broil this. So I wanna be able to get it off the sheet pan to get a little caramelization. And I just wanna evenly spread these out so they get nice coverage. The char on this is gonna be really, really nice. Then we're finishing it off with a little pineapple. And I can go ahead and do these in batches because I don't want to overcrowd the pan. So this is going to go in our broiler for about 7 minutes, maybe 10, depending on the power of your broiler. I think mine's pretty good, so about 7 minutes. Once the product is hot, it's always a good idea to use pan spray, whether it's olive oil or canola oil, to keep the product moist and help caramelization at the very, very end of your broiling. The char really comes out nice in the broiler, so really nice color on these. Just want to put a couple on here. Maybe throw a piece of pineapple. I like to have a little bit of crema to give like a soft texture. And then I have some pico. We have that taco shop guac we did last week. A little queso fresco. Maybe a little radish. A little cilantro. A squeeze of lime, and that's it. Al pastor cauliflower taco.